The number one secret of good coffee is water. 98% of every cup is water, and if the water is off, the taste is off. Skip very hard or fully distilled water, and use filter.
For perfect Turkish kettle coffee, add your water first, then the ground coffee, a little sugar, and stir gently. This order helps the foam build and keeps the flavor.
Fire is crucial. High fire equals bitter, burnt coffee. The secret is very low fire. The foam should rise slowly, not suddenly.
First, scoop the foam from the top of the coffee in the cezve and place it into the cup. Then, slowly pour the coffee over the foam until the cup is full.
The narrow mouth gathers the foam and concentrates the aroma. Inside, stainless steel lining spreads heat evenly, so the coffee